My name is Stephanie Cox, and I am a family physician with the Iowa Clinic. I chose to become a physician because, as I like to say, it's a genetic defect in my family. My grandfather was a family physician in Fort Dodge, and my father's still practicing in Fort Dodge 40 years later. He's also in family medicine, and my mother's his nurse, and we always grew up watching them help people in the community. We'd be in the grocery store, and they'd get stopped and asked about a rash or something like that. So eventually there's four sisters, and we all went into some facet of medicine. There's 2 family practice docs, and a veterinarian, and a cardiothoracic ICU nurse. And so it was a pretty easy choice for me to stay in that path of medicine. My favorite movie of all time is actually 16 Candles, which when I look back now and watch it, it's pretty hokey, but it's still my favorite movie. Take 2. The most rewarding part of my job is being able to work with families where we have the privilege of seeing people throughout their lives, seeing children who grew up to be adults and then have their own children. And I actually have 2 families where I've been able to work with 4 generations of at least the female relatives. So I have a great-grandma, a grandma, a mother, and a daughter. And that's just an exciting part to see people go down the path through life and try to help them stay healthy and enjoy the things they do and treat any diseases that come up. And so that's why I think family medicine is very rewarding. Iowa or Iowa State, that's pretty easy. I have 2 degrees and 3 varsity letters from the University of Iowa, and I'm gonna have to go with the Hawkeyes all the way. What can you find on my nightstand? Right now it's packed with children's books, although there's a picture of me on it pregnant 10 years ago. Today's my son's birthday, and so that picture's still on there, all sassy and pregnant, but it's mostly kids' books, so we can do our kids' reading at night. I really enjoy that it's a physician-run organization, and the staff all works together as a family, and everybody is very enthusiastic to come to work, and it just seems like a wonderful organization and has a high threshold for excellent patient care. My favorite iPhone app, I actually have 2. My practical, useful app is the MyFitnessPal app, which really helps people be accountable for their fitness and weight loss goals, and I've had a lot of patients have success with it. But my mind-numbing, shameless waste of time app is Jelly Defense. Jelly Defense is a really stupid game my sister got me hooked on, where you have to protect this planet from jelly invaders, and it's really, I can waste 3 hours playing it, and it's very embarrassing to say that. Take 3. One word I'd use to describe myself is enthusiastic. I try to be enthusiastic in everything that I do in my life, whether it's professionally or with my family. If I wasn't a physician, I would probably be a dentist. I have a weird obsession with teeth, and I think that would sort of be fun to do. But my fun answer is I would be a wedding planner, because I really like to get into weddings and help people pick out their dresses and decorations and things like that.